Russia attacked Mykolaiv today in a third successive night of airstrikes. Several apartment buildings were left with charred fronts and gaping roofs. The entire top floor of one three-story building had gone, and smoke rose from several other residential buildings. Drone video released by the State Emergency Service of Ukraine today showed a building burning in Mykolaiv following a Russian airstrike on the southern city. Mykolaiv Governor Vitaly Kim said that 19 people had been wounded in Mykolaiv. Residents of Mykolaiv woke up in fear as the shelling damaged apartment buildings and caused windows to shatter. A neighbour called me and said, "Olesha, come quickly, the door to your apartment is completely blown out. There are no windows." I came from the summer house. I took my children there because our street is constantly targeted. I came here from the summer house. I am cleaning. People woke up to glass shards flying through the air and ceilings of apartment buildings collapsing. How long will they torture us? It is the seventh time the downtown has been targeted. We just fixed the house and thought that it is over. Thank God the glass did not fall on the children and nothing happened to them.